Hello mga palangga, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Akay Rebilla Vlog. Sa mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, kung saan man kayo sulok ng mundo. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Nandito po na tayo muli, nagbabalik mga palangga sa pagbablog sa Kuwait City International Bank. Ito yung garden nila mga palangga, magaganda. Maganda yung mga lights. Kaya dito ako nagbablog. This is the way to my work. Only beside my work mga palangga. By the way, mega love shout out to all of you, to all over the world, and thank you very much for not skipping my ads, and million of thanks for being supportive. And of course, I love you. Thank you for everyone, and God bless us all. Once again, this is Akay Rebilla Vlogs, YouTube channel, charity vlogger, ghost hunter, reporter. Thank you for everyone, and God bless us all. Bye-bye.